So guys, this is exactly how you can buy the SpaceX share. You know this, they just recently made their IPO yesterday, being the 12th of June 2026. So if you're in Nigeria, this is how you can catch up to it. The app I'm going to be using right now is called Bamboo, and I'm going to be leaving the link to sign up down in the description. It's a referral link, right? So when you click on it and create an account on Bamboo, right, what you're going to do right now is you're going to come over here to your portfolio. Those of you that already have the Bamboo account, and right here we are simply going to click on US stocks, right? So just simply click on US stocks, and when you click on US stocks, it's going to bring you right here, and then you're going to simply click on buy stocks, right? So I'm going to click on buy stocks. Now on the search bar, you just simply click on it and just simply search for SPX, right? So I think that's the ticker for it. Okay, SPCX if I'm not mistaken. We're going to be seeing it right now. So let's give this a minute to load up. Okay, while this is loading up, or on the contrary, you can just simply search for SpaceX like this, right? SpaceX, and it's going to pop up, and that's the ticker for it. So you can either search for SPCX or just simply directly search for SpaceX. You can see this is what it looks like. It is the space exploration. So basically what you are going to do right now is to just simply click on buy. Okay, sorry, my internet is shaky, right? My internet is shaky. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just simply going to click on buy. So when you click on buy, you know that Bamboo has their trading hours. So usually you can start trading by 2 to 10, 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 10 p.m. in the evening. That's the trading hours. That's when their US time correlates with our own. So you can just simply click on yes, enable extended hours. That is, if you want to trade even when the market is closed. The only difference is that your order is going to be placed immediately when the market is open, right? Or you can just simply click on this one. For those of you that want to click on recurring purchase simply means if you want to buy this stock at intervals, let's say every week, every month, that is automatically they should be debiting your bank account and buying the stock automatically. You can set that. All you need to do is you just simply click on yes please, link your debit card or your bank account, that is going to be good to go. So for now, you can just simply wait for market to open, or you click on buy, click on enable extended hours, or either of these. No queue for market open. Enable for extended hours, as I've explained before, you can be able to trade even when the market is closed, right? Even when the market is closed. But for the queue for market open, once you click on it, you are going to buy the shares, but it's not going to execute immediately. What I mean by it's not going to execute immediately is that they are going to wait. Your order is going to be placed on pending. Then the moment market is opened, whatever Tesla is trading at, that's what your share is going to be executed at. But this enable extended hours, I feel like it is probably people that want to sell off their shares. So Bamboo just link you up with such people and you execute your trades. But to get the fairest price, I'll encourage you to wait for the market to open, right? So that's basically how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys in another video. Peace.